Friends, welcome back to our channel LearnWidGiggs. Today's video will be very important for you all. It will be very important, I can guarantee you, as I will show you today and discuss the importance of the resume dashboard and how can you increase your chances of getting selected and recruited in any company. I will tell everything to the point, okay? So do watch the video completely, because today you will learn a new way of impressing the interviewer, and I would highly recommend you to create this resume dashboard. And plus, if you create it, you can upload it on LinkedIn. You can tag me. My LinkedIn ID is there in the description box of this video. Tag the recruiters and tag all the known persons in data analytics field for better reach. And obviously you are doing this to get the interview call. Okay, so let's start the video, and if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the coming useful videos. So if you attend any interview, okay, most of the interviews are online only, virtual only, right? So here I am talking about Power BI interview. So you will be asked to introduce yourself, right? And this is a must asked question, you know it beforehand, right? So from now on, why to give intro the way we usually do? Why not to do something different, something unusual? So what you can do is you can create a resume dashboard. Now I will show you a resume dashboard that I have created it for myself, and then let us talk further on that. So this is the one that I have created, and let me know in the comment box how does it looks. Okay, in couple of seconds I will tell you how I have made this dashboard, resume dashboard, and how can you make the similar one for yourself. So that we will discuss in couple of seconds, so stay tuned. Before that, I would like to discuss how this resume dashboard will help you to get the job. So I will discuss with you 5 points, which once I will discuss, you will get to know that yes, after we have created this resume dashboard, and if we utilize it for ourselves, then it will be very fruitful for us. Okay, so the first thing is that whenever we create this resume dashboard and show it to the interviewer, so it really generates quite a few smiles during the interview call. Since this is not a normal thing, this takes the interviewer by surprise, obviously in a good way. And so it is something that I feel it will hopefully stand out for you, because in general nobody does that. So this is the first point. So the next point that you have to keep in mind is that if you will show this to the interviewer, it will turn into a conversation starter, right? I always feel nervous, like who doesn't feel nervous during the interview calls? So whenever they will ask you to introduce yourself, you can present this and then you can go on and on and on. Okay, so this makes you feel a bit more relaxed. Okay, and you know, if you are relaxed during the interview call, you will be able to answer most of the questions. Okay, so this is the next important point. Second point. Now the next important point, the third, is it is like a cheat sheet for you. Okay, you know that what you have to say next by looking at the visuals and talking about the part of the dashboard, right? You don't have to do more juggling, right? What I need to say next. Okay, so it shows off the presentation skills also at the same time. Okay, so this is the third point. Okay, it acts like a cheat sheet for you. Hope it is clear to you. Now the fourth important point is that it is a cheat sheet for the interviewer too, because they will get to know you more and they can ask more questions. Whatever you are displaying in front of them, they can ask like, can you elaborate more on this? Can you tell me how you have created that? So this is the fourth important point. It gives them a cheat sheet too. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you now. And the fifth important point is that it shows off immediately that I know how to create a report. You will also attach the links of the dashboards or the projects that you have already created. So once you will show them those projects also that you have created, then indirectly you are forcing the interviewer to ask the questions from those projects only that you have created. So overall, indirectly you are controlling your whole interview yourself, right? So this is the most important thing about this resume dashboard. So the next question that will come into your mind now is, I have told you the importance of the resume dashboard. Okay, now how you will go ahead and show this to the interviewer. So once your interview starts, what you can do, you can say to the interviewer that this might be unconventional, but I hope you don't mind if I share my screen. So by telling this line, you are asking the interviewer, and 99% of the time the interviewer will allow you to do this, because they will be also curious what you are trying to show in the starting of the interview. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you now. Now I will discuss about how and what all things I have done here to create this resume dashboard. So if you can see on the screen, what you can do is you can create, see here I have created 5 different tables. These all tables are not connected to each other. Okay, these all are hard coded. Okay, you have to create it as per what you have achieved or what you have done during your curriculum. Okay, I have created it with my experience. Okay, so as you can see here, And if you want, I can also show you the hex code for different colors that I've used here. Okay, so this is the hex code that I have used here. Okay, so this is the page background hex code, visual background, visual border, text color. So if you want, you can note it down, and you can use the same for you. Okay, now as you can see here, I have attached my photograph here. Okay, and at the same time I am providing my LinkedIn ID and the Gmail to connect with me. Okay, now here you can see I have shown my academics. Okay, academic section, because it is very important, and what all percentage I have achieved in those. Then the year of experience that I have, and what are the different positions that I have held during this period, I have shown here. Okay, here I have shown what all different tools I have learned or I have worked upon. Okay, so this is the tool section. If I will click on the skill section, it will show me different skills that I have knowledge of, and the different ratings that I have given out of 10 to the different skills that I have. Similarly, in the tool section also, I have given the different ratings for different tools that I know or that I have knowledge of. Okay, so this way you can use the same. Now in this donut chart, I have showed 3 types of domain, the domain in which I have worked upon. So it is not necessary whatever I have shown here or whatever I have built here, you have to do the same. You can show your own creativity, whatever you have done at your end, you can show all those things here. Okay, and here you can see, once you are presenting this dashboard, it looks very appealing, it is very attractive, right? Everything to the point and clear, whatever you know, whatever you have knowledge of. Okay, and you have made use of conditional formatting, you have made use of bookmarks, you have made use of page navigation, everything. You have made use of measures to create this whole dashboard. So everything is very attractive, very impressing, right? So that's why this resume dashboard will act a very important tool for you to get selected in any company. Okay, here you can see I have attached different projects that I have created. So whatever number of projects you have created, you can show it from here, and if they want to see it in detail, which you will convince them to see, so what you have done, you can click here and show them what exactly you have created here. So this is the first project that I have created. You can click on this cross button to close all the things. Now this was my first project. You can go to the second project. So this is my second project that I have built. You can explain them also what you have done here. Okay, so at that same time you are showing the resume dashboard also, plus you are showing the projects also in a brief way in the resume itself, right? And once they want to go into deep, they can see the dashboard and they can ask the questions on top of it, right? So this is my second project. I will close it from here. Okay, I will go to my third project. Same way, you can show them, they will ask questions, you will answer them, and the whole interview will go around this and this and this. Again, I will close this. So see, whatever I have done, whatever experience I have, whatever skills I have to create a appealing Power BI report, I have put it all on one page. So this will be very, very, very fruitful for you if you will approach the interview like this. I have tried to implement most of the functionalities of Power BI, but obviously I know you will create a more attractive and appealing report for your resume. Okay, so I hope all the things are clear to you now, and it is a very easy dashboard to create. You just have to give some time patiently and create this resume dashboard for you. Everything is very neat and clean and to the point, and I hope you would agree with this. So the challenge for you is now to create this resume dashboard. Okay, so please share the videos to all your friends and colleagues, whoever are in need of this, as much as possible. That's it. Thank you for watching video, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.